What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. This is the official first diecast Kraken video of 2023. Hope you guys had a safe new year, and we're gonna jump right into the video. Let's start with this one right here. We got us a Honda Civic Custom, which is of course a 92-95 EG Civic hatch. Very, very cool. It was new for last year. I think I got a blue one of these as well. One of Ryu's rides. Let's go ahead and get cracking. All right, here it is. This casting's always got side view mirrors, so we got some race glass up front. You can see all the little rivets around. It's turbo, got the exhaust going through the hood, lensed headlights, race front end. Very cool. Love this casting. I like the regular AG one better, but this is still very cool. I love that aftermarket wing. Very nice. All right, there's that one right there. Next one up, that's an 81 Camaro. I believe there is a super treasure hunt of this available, but this is of course just the regular old mainline, which I'm totally fine with. Love these second gen Camaros. This one has really nice metallic green paints and a lot of cool tampos. A lot of sponsors, it looks like. And some gray 5SPs. Not so much headlights or taillights, but overall still pretty nice. Very cool. We got us another Camaro, this time 69 Kobo Camaro. Very nice, from Muscle Mania. Really cool casting. I always love the first gen Camaros. This time we got it in yellow. We got some black and silver rims. Very cool. These ones don't tend to have details on the headlights or taillights unless they're, you know, some kind of special edition or something. But regardless, still a really nice casting. Beautiful silhouette. Nice black interior. Very cool. All right, we got some Camaros, we got some Hondas. We got it all. We even got us some Ford RS 1600s. Look how cool that is. From Rally Champs. Very badass. This reminds me of the late great Ken Block. Can't believe he passed away. That was such a crazy shock. What a freak accident. Just cruising on a snowmobile and flipped over on him. That's terrible. But this casting is far from terrible. It's very beautiful. Got rally lights. We got tampos all over the place. White 5SPs. No headlights or taillights on pretty much any car in this video so far, except for the Civic did have lensed headlights. That's about it. But still a really nice casting. In fact, I love this casting. It's so cool. Big fender flares. Very cool. Oops. That is plastic. It's painted to look metallic, but it is in fact plastic. All right, let's see. Next up, we got us a Liberty Walk GTR. Very cool. All right, there it is. That classic Liberty Walk wide body kit, crazy wing. Again, no taillights, not even a Liberty Walk. These are lensed headlights, I guess that counts. Got a GTR logo up front. Side view mirrors and nice Hot Wheels livery on the side. Very cool. Again, I found this one on the peg. I was really happy, and I found them at a Walmart Market too, of all places. It wasn't even like a big box store. It was just the one that sells like food. But they have Hot Wheels occasionally. And check this one out. This one was also there. 911 GT3. Very nice. Like, I was so stoked. This is the one I was most stoked for. Super awesome. Like, they must have just put the case out because all the goodies were still in there. But look at this casting. That flat black. awesome Y5s. This Caston's got a big metal wing, side view mirrors, rolled up windows. Finally got some tail light to tail. So it's got a roll cage in there. And more lensed headlights, very nice. And a Porsche emblem, very legible. And I love this matte paint, it's fantastic. Or satin paint if you prefer the terminology. But that is absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite Porsches. Very cool. All right, that's the end of the Hot Wheels. I have one Matchbox to crack open. This one I did not find in the store. I had to order this one online. It was about 10 bucks or so, but worth every penny. I've been wanting this one for so long. An old 1963 Honda T360 from Matchbox Collectors. So cool. There's a blue one of these too, but it's way more rare. There's only like one for sale in all the United States, at least on eBay. Yeah, this thing is so cool. Alright, there's the actual box. Whoop-de-woo, nothing special there. Here is the adorable little Honda. Check that out. So cool. It's got rubber tires, a plastic base. Really nice paint and tampo work. Nice headlight details and that old school Honda logo, which I love. And we got tail lights and more Honda emblems. And of course, this little fucker opens up. Look how cool that is. That is so rad. I absolutely love this little casting. It's so tiny. Look at it in comparison to like the Porsche. It's so tiny. But I freaking love it. I'm so glad I finally have it. And I will get that blue one eventually. So rad. Love it. All right, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Friday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog and I post diecast videos once or twice a week, more or less. And if collecting little cars is your thing, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. And I'll catch you dudes next time.